Hey, welcome to Sweet Sanders Flock. Hey everyone! Enoch and I are going to show you all about this amazing carrier. It's called the Happy Baby Onbuhimo. It's so amazing. So first I'm going to put him in and then I'm going to explain some things about it. Yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to grab Enoch and I'm going to show you how to put him in the carrier. Hi, hello. I'm going to put his bottom near where the cinching is, and looking at the leg padding, I'm going to put his feet through so that his leg is on top of the padding. Then I'm just going to hold the fabric up and test and make sure that the back panel comes right up under his armpit, but not too far past his armpit, so that he'll be nice and safe. Hold on, Enoch! He already did this once, so he's kind of done. Then I'm going to sit my body down, low. Good to see you. And then slip my arms through. Just like that. Good to see you, I know. Now at this point your baby's secure. You also need to clip this chest clip for making everything nice and safe, and then adjust your hair and whatever else. So once baby's on you, you want to make sure, are they centered? Do you need to lift baby's butt up and scooch him over? And then also adjust that they have that nice M position so their booty is lower than their knees. And if that's true, then you're good to go. Just area you can just adjust to what's comfortable, but really, it's such a pleasure and it's so easy. I just really prefer the couch method. It's my favorite. So, Enoch, what's your favorite part about the carrier? Huh? Do you like bouncing up and down? Okay, so here is the Onbuhimo. Look really carefully at the top part. And here is the original baby carrier. So there is a pocket here with the hood and the zipper, and that creates a nice clean line there, but the pocket on this one is actually behind the panel. So on the inside panel is a non-zippered snap compartment. Well, it's snapped to your hood if you want that on, which I have mine off. It's right in here. Just don't really want to use it right now. So it snaps on with these 3 snaps. Boom, 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 right into here, boom, 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 and then it tucks away for you to have it stowed. So here's another look, just for those who are super curious. So I have the Onbuhimo on top, and underneath I have an original, and they're very much the same on the top, and as you move down to the leg padding, basically the same design, except this is where it differs. This one goes flat into the waist belt, apron front waist belt, and this one doesn't. It's just a body panel to help hold the baby up, because it's connected to your shoulder strap here versus being connected to your waist. And if you're wondering what these straps are, these snappies are just extra security for when you're using a smaller baby or a newborn, that once you put their body through, you can make sure that they're not gonna wiggle out. It's just a little extra thing they put on there, and I think it's pretty cool. So I just wanted to add that I've been on the Happy Baby bandwagon following along for a while, and I was so excited to try this carrier that I just went for it, and I didn't really look too far into like the pros and the cons or whatever, but I'm just so happy that there's another option out there for those who don't want a waist belt and who want to enjoy baby wearing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Say bye-bye. Bye. Yeah. Hey friend, thanks for watching.